this video, we'll be looking at the crossword game found in the Lesson Activity Toolkit. This is your standard crossword where you can go and create a crossword. It'll generate the puzzle for you, and your students can come up to the board and they can type in the letters, or they can even write in the letters. Let's have a look at the activity. This is the crossword layout as you see it in the beginning. You have the crossword section on your left, and then you have the control buttons on the right hand side. We'll start at the bottom and work our way up. The button right at the bottom is reset, so if you're struggling or you want to do it again, you can just click on reset. There is a solve button that'll bring in the answers there for you, and we can reset. Above are the clues. Click on any cell, so one across, and it'll put the question to see or point out the differences between. If I click on number 2, it changes, number 5, number 3, number 6. Then we can choose between our input methods, and we'll have a look at it in a moment. But if I was to go and just put in an answer, I would simply click on the letter and type, because I'm using the typing one at the moment. There's no auto correction, so it does not tell you if you've got it wrong. Then we have the edit button that allows us to go in and change the word and the clues, and the top button is the question mark. If we click on that, that explains how you can create your own word crossword puzzle. And close. Let's go have a look and see how we create a crossword puzzle. Now I have already gone and extracted some text with definitions and the words that I want to use in my crossword. Where do I find the crossword? I need to click on the Gallery tab, click on Lesson Activity Toolkit, go to the Games, and click on Crossword. Then drag or double click to insert the page where the crossword is on. Now unfortunately there's no blank crossword, so when we edit this one there will always be words in there. I'm going to go get my words, and you can simply drag in your text and then for those extra ones, now I click on generate, and this has created my crossword puzzle. So I can go click on a certain block and pull out the clues. If the children are wanting to do this, we can bring up the on-screen keyboard to make it work there. Alternatively, we can go and use the input method of the pen. So a student would pick up the pen and write in the letters. Now depending on the student's handwriting, they might have to go back and write over it again in order to get the correct letter. This is a great game to play with your students either at the beginning of the lesson, the end, or even in the middle of the lesson to test assessment. Thank you for watching this video brought to you by the Technology Training Academy.